So I'm gonna show you how to draw in my style. So I'm gonna use red. Could also use blue or any other color for a sketch. Okay, now I'm gonna do the lines which I wanted to see. I'm gonna make this face that way. Choose a little. I like track that. I wanna make it small. Like that. There. The neck. Okay, I'm gonna move that. Okay, there. The neck. Shape the body. The arms. Hand. Okay, fingers are difficult. Okay, I'm gonna do it like that. Like that. And for the ears, I'm gonna do it like this. Like that. The eyes. If you want more realistic eyes, you could do it like this. But I don't really like that. I'm gonna just do that. The nose, mouth, no eyebrows. Now I'm gonna use this for the cheeks. There. There, now I'm gonna start doing the line art. So I'm gonna just try everything. There. I'm gonna add the fur. That one looks bad. Okay. Okay, so now I'm gonna get rid of this. And I'm gonna start adding details. The cheeks. Okay. Have to move the cheeks. Do a blush. Okay, there. I'm gonna add some shadow on the neck. I just have to add these lines, I don't know why. I can do the floof inside the ears and all the details. Your face is good. Okay, now that floof. Erase all of that. Erase that. Now I'm gonna do the halo. Like that. The wings. Wings.
Oye, ¿quieres que vaya a hacer lo del carro? ¿Quieres? Ay, yo me voy a bañar ahorita.
Okay, there. I'm out of the cherries somewhere. I don't know, I just think they're cute. Their little earrings. And a little collar. Floofiness. I like floofy. No, some of those details. Floofy. Difficult. Okay. The last detail. Now you can just color it in. But I'm not gonna do that. That will take forever.